Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a hamster, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is make our hamster's head and face. So you'll want to make a shape that looks like this. It's a little bit thicker at the bottom than at the top. So these are his cheeks right here, and as we know, hamsters like to store things in their cheeks, so we're making these cheeks a little bit bigger than the top of his head. Let's put some small ears, roundish, on our hamster's head. Those are just upside down U's, followed by smaller upside down U's on the inside. Let's put a little bit of hair at the top of our hamster's head. Let's make some eyes for our hamster. They have small little beady eyes. Let's make a small nose for our hamster, a little triangle that we fill in, and a little tiny mouth. So a J and another J, and then let's put a U underneath, and that could be his little tongue. We can make some little cheeks right here. And if you'd like to make some whiskers, go ahead and do that. Just some curved lines coming out from the area close to his nose. So that's our hamster's head. Now let's make his body. So his body is pretty round. So let's go around like this, maybe a little bit flat on the bottom, come around like this and hook up at the bottom. Let's make a little tummy area and some hands. So I just like to make my hamster hands coming down like this for his arms, and then his fingers coming straight down, and fingers. And then for his feet, let's just come out from the bottom, just like that. Now we can put a background for our hamster. We can have him be in a cage. A lot of people keep their hamsters in a cage, but let's make this one a wild hamster. If you'd like to make your hamster in a cage, that's perfectly fine, but I'm going to put mine outside. So I put some grass down at the bottom. I have a line here. Once I get to my hamster, I jump over my hamster and I start my line on the other side. Then maybe I'll put a little bit of grass for some detail. Maybe even one right here. All right, I think I'll put some clouds in the sky. And I like to make clouds like this, just simple and fluffy. If you can think of a different way that you'd like to make a cloud, you can go ahead and do that. Or you know what you can do? You can add different things like butterflies or birds, whatever you'd like. This is your artwork. Maybe one more small cloud up here. Sometimes I look at my artwork and then I decide that I'd like to add something and I just go ahead and do it. Like right here, I feel like I want to add a little bit more grass. Alrighty friends, I hope you like this lesson. I'll see you next time.